Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can detect any language from a text in native iOS using natural language. So let's see how to do this. So first I'll just run this on a simulator. So here you can see I'm passing some text in Marathi and I'm not really displaying anything in the UI. Once the output is run on the simulator, whatever language you have passed, I'm just detecting it or like printing it on the console. Let's see how to do this. So first all you have to do, like you can use Swift UI as well if you want. So first import natural language, and inside view did load I'm just using NLLanguageRecognizer, and then you just do recognizer.process string. So here you can feel free to pass whatever you feel like I have passed some text in Marathi, like you can pass it in English, French, Russian, whatever you feel like is right for you. And then here we just do recognizer.dominant language. So we just get if it has detected any language. If not, then we just return back. And there are two ways of printing it. I personally don't like this, but I have seen this a lot in Apple's documentation. I don't know why, but like you can use this language.raw value. If you use this language.raw value, you will get something like this, MR. So MR stands for Marathi. If you use Hindi, you will get HI. If you use English, you will get EN. Sometimes English differs in US and UK, so you might get that particular thing as well. In that case, I guess this particular thing might be useful. But if you see the output for this locale.language identifier language.raw value, here you can see we see this particular bit of thing, which I'm not really sure how this is really useful, but maybe the region part might be useful for you and script part, given that Marathi does not really have this region and script part. That's why maybe this is not really helpful for me. Maybe for English it might be helpful. But yeah, that's how you can detect a language from a text in native iOS with Swift using natural language. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.